And the fact that all this was on record, ni kuonania maundu maya mothe is all about selling fear and making people wache kukua that extreme with Ruto must go and one term for the fear of wanaweza songeshwa, because diko na gitumi kingi haria ntona bado makiuga ati all these orders cikoretwo ciki-executwo ni mũmbunge ũmwe kũu Murang'A. Tocoka toigua ati in fact ni bodyguard ya one of the MPs in Murang'A za ndani.
What is more even worse is the fact that this operation was actually led by a bodyguard of one of the members of parliament in Murang'A County. Bodyguard, he is the one who shot my car twice. The video is there. It is absurd.